Yeah.
A lot of emotions.
Lot of emotions going on. So what kind of emotions? Which emotions?
Fear and excitement, everything mixed.
To be frank, you were really helpful.
Thank you so much.
Your team was extremely supportive, especially Zisha. I used to like pester her with calls all the time.
Okay.
Like, for every small thing, and she never lost her temper. And very good to me. Like she handled everything really well, and she was very helpful. And you too, when the NEET notification came, and I was really worried at that time, like what's going to happen. So you were very helpful at the time. So
Very friendly, very supportive, like
Very,
nice experience. We had really good experience.
very courteous people. Whenever we laid out our frustration, they always helped us with a soft and a mild tone, always supportive and available 24/7. Any help you need, just a call away.
The message away.
Yeah, and we'll pass out as good doctors, not only as good doctors, but as good doctors.
आप लोग की सर्विस तो हम लोग अच्छी देख रहे हैं इंशाल्लाह। उम्मीद है कि आगे भी अच्छी रहेंगी सर्विस।
बहुत एंग्शियस थी बच्ची, जाना है फुली डिटरमाइंड थी। हम सोच रहे थे कि भाई लड़की है, कैसा भेजना है, क्या है ना। बुक में MBBS अच्छा कोऑपरेट किया। वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द सेम कोऑपरेशन इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो till she complete MBBS.
We wish you all the best, and if you need any help, you can always reach out to me. You have my number. I'm just a call away for any major thing, or if you're stuck somewhere, I'm there 24/7 for you guys.
And concerned by the staff members like administration branch, and most importantly I would like to thank Amir bhai for his compromises and for his contributions, like, and the efforts he have shown, and he have been patient at the time when we are in difficulty. So overall it was, I must say it is a good, and I'm not trying to exaggerate the book my MBBS staff and other members. I'm so genuine to my words, and this is good service I've got from here.